Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial. So do you want to convert PDF into editable Word, right? Do you want to do it online? If yes, then follow this tutorial. For offline methods, or how to do PDF Word conversion on Android, iPhone, go to our website. This online method would be useful for people who want to convert PDF to Word once or twice. We recommend offline software for regular conversions. Check our website for more details. Step 1. Navigate to the pdf2word.com website. I will drop a link in the description. Step 2. Upload your PDF by tapping on the Select Your File button. Step 3. Enter email. It is mandatory to enter an email because this website will only send you a converted file on your email. Step 4. Tap on the Convert Now button to start the PDF to Word conversion process. Step 5. Check your email, and download the converted Word file. See, the PDF has been converted into a Word file. We can edit, change and update as necessary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.